DIY. Welcome to Ruben the Screwman, DIY Plumbing. My meaning on plumbing is, whatever the plumber charges is not enough. First of all, we are going to see how to fit an outside tap. Begin by shutting down the main supply, which is usually situated on the pavement. Having done that, begin by applying a quantity of ptfe tape around the external thread, making sure it is applied around the thread in the opposite direction to the thread. After applying the ptfe tape, screw the wall plate fitting to the tap. Locate the stop tap and turn off the water supply. There should be a drain-off valve nearby. Open this to drain off any water in the system. In addition, this process will be helped by opening a cold water tap inside the house. This lets air into the system, forcing the water out of the drain or the valve. Locate a suitable cold water supply pipe and remove the lacking. Mark the position on the cold water pipe where it will need to be cut. Now mark the wall in order to fix the tap backplate. Draw and plug. Fix the tap to the wall using brass screws. These will not rust. Cut the pipe on the position previously marked. Here we are using a pipe cutter. A hacksaw can be used, but remember to clean off any burrs if you decide to use this method. A section of the pipe will have to be removed to accommodate the fitting you are using. Here we are using a conventional T. In this case, we are using a Connex fitting. Refer to the end of the DVD to see an alternative method. Compression fittings. Apply flux to the pipe and fitting. Now insert the T-joint. Other fittings will be more than likely required to get water supply to the tap. All good plumber merchants or DIY stores carry a comprehensive range of elbows, offsets, and other angles which you will need at some time. Cut other lengths of pipe as required, remembering to flux all fittings and pipes. Assemble these as you go along. Most wall plate fittings are of the nut and olive type. Sealant paste will be required on this type of compression fitting. Ensure all fittings are pushed together tightly in preparation for soldering. Gradually heat the fitting and apply the solder until it runs freely around the joint. A general rule is that when the solder drops off the fitting, the joint is full and complete. However, a close look around the joint is recommended. Leave the fitting to cool gradually. Then wipe over with a damp cloth. Finally, tighten the compression fitting, steadying the tap. Turn on the stop tap make sure any drain or valve is tightened. Now for the moment of truth. Try your tap, replace the pipe lacking, and the pipe installation is complete.